This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, one small topic we'll discuss now. The topic is how the project works comes into the company. That one we'll see. Okay, it's not related Selenium, it's not related manual concept, guys. Just introduction about how the project work will come to the company one. Okay, it's a separate topic. That is very benefit for you to understand the process. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about some roles, developers, QA, and business analyst, blah blah blah, right? Yes, Priya or Urvasi. So, who is a customer actually? Who is
The
a customer?
customer is a stakeholder which they will give opportunity to build a product.
Exactly. So, customer have some requirements. Okay, there is some requirements. According to that, the company like so he need one software. Okay, now suppose the one customer, suppose you are the person and you started one big shopping mall into any one major city, and to maintain the shopping mall, and you need one software. Understand? Ranjita also joined. Hi Ranjita.
Hi, Srinagar. Sorry, I joined a little late.
No problem, just now I started. See, there is one customer, and customer some requirements will be there. The requirements were yes, the customer need to build customer have some big shopping mall here. Okay, now shopping mall, to maintain that he needs one software, but the customer doesn't know. Customer is like client. Okay, now yeah, example here, Urusi is the person and she has one big shopping mall, not yet opened, like just to see it is in construction site, like after 6 months, she's going to be launch that shopping mall, right? Before she'll contact any one software company, right, directly. So who is going to be build that type of software? She'll inquire and she'll go to any one particular company and give her requirements to sponsor company. Okay, now so what is the requirements here? Time, yeah, I'm expecting 6 months, within 6 months. Okay, now within 6 months of time I'm expecting software. This is a one particular requirement, and she will provide okay, amount to design the software. She will provide amount 1 crore rupee, 1 crore INR. This is the second one, and third one is right, easy to understand. Yeah, mainly time and amount. The third one is main requirements. What is requirements here? So how the softwares look like, if she knows very well, and she'll give you. Or else high level requirements. Yes, I'm expecting my purpose is to maintain the software, to maintain the shopping mall, like inside how many malls were there, okay, and how many people work, how many employees is maintained, and employee history I need to maintain, and their salary, and some other maintenance costs, like different parts. So that's one we'll call it as a requirements, means like functionality, how application should work, and the flow and screen. These are all. Suppose client doesn't know, client will give high level requirements. Okay, now client will give high level requirements. See here, Urvashi, you are the person, you are the client or customer. If you know which company will develop this type of software, you directly client contract with them, right?
Right.
Suppose you don't know who is going to be develop this type of software, what shall you do? Understand my question?
Mm-hmm.
You are expecting one software, and so on say ABC company, this type of software will design it very well, right? Directly you can go on the contract with that ABC company people. But here you don't know who is going to be developing, but you aware of that, but whether those guys are within 6 months they will do it or not, you don't know. What shall you do? Or else you're not aware of that, and there are number of companies to design the software. Like how can you choose one specific person, a specific company to design, to develop this software? In that case, you just you choose some 10 to 20 companies, send email to all companies. Okay, now you just send email to all companies. What it contains email means, yes, so on so day I'm going to conduct one okay meeting, so on so place, meeting info. Simply I'm saying meeting info regarding my project work, right? So this one will call it as a information email. Yes, suppose I have one software company, and Priya also have one software company, even Ranjit also have software company. You just send email to all with 3 people, like from my company or some other people company. Okay, so business analyst are marketing people. Marketing people will respond to that email. Understand? Business analyst or marketing people will reply to this your email. Got it, guys? Yes. So now from my company, okay, one business analyst or marketing person has responded to that email. Yes, Urvashi will come and attend so and so day, so and so place, so and so hotel. Now one big star hotel, you started one meeting so and so time, and from my company, the business analyst or marketing people, 1 or 2 members will join, right? Example, this is a stage in that meeting, and you are here, right? You are here, and there is different rooms will be room. It's like open hall like this here, hall. So different company persons, different marketing people, so came and attended here, right? You invited number of company people, right? So all people came, right? In front of all, you just explaining your requirements. Yes, guys, this is what my requirement. I'm going to launch so-and-so shopping mall so-and-so day, and I have only 6 months of time. And who is going to be take this project, and who will develop this project? Could you please, okay, take my project? Like that, you just explaining your requirements, what your expectations. You just explain to all the people in front of the business analyst or marketing people. Whenever you say, immediately suppose this is IBM company person, if this guy said, yeah, we'll take care of this project. Suddenly some testing TCS company people, that guys also came, and those guys also said, yes, we also taking care of that. Then now the question is, okay, whom do you give this project? Clear what I'm trying to say? Now Urvashi, you are the client. Will you give to IBM company or will you give to TCS company?
IBM.
Why IBM? Why not TCS? Just I'm asking. Is there any specific reason to give IBM alone? Okay, there is a question mark will come here, right?
Right.
In that case, what you will do now? You just start bidding. Okay, bidding. What is bidding?
Like negotiate the price. No.
Exactly. bidding meeting. Okay, the bidding, we call it as a, in that bidding, right? So you just give, yes guys, go ahead bidding, and which is the best, and who is going to be give more benefits to me, then I'll give you this project work. So suddenly TCS company people, yeah, will develop these 5 months 20 days only with 1 crore. Suddenly, right, Infosys people came and what they said, yeah, 5 months 20 days, but not 1 crore. It's a 98 lakhs you can give to us. Understand? So like that, amount wise, time wise, they're going to be do bidding, but not the requirement wise. What you are expecting, the requirements were same. Only time and amount is going to be reduced in the bidding. Correct, right? So answer time, IBM company people said like, I'm expecting 5 months only, and I'm expecting just 90 lakhs. Understand? For this bidding, like no one is interesting. Yeah, if we go down now, then it is risky to maintain the project, or it is risky to the company host, what is that, stocks. That's a problem. So no one has a, okay, ready to take that beyond this. Now finally, who's a person like IBM person got the project? Got it? Like this, in bidding meeting they will go and auction, start the auction and get the project work. Just think about who has attended here. It's a business analyst or marketing people, I said. Is these guys are company owners or company decision makers? Understand guys what I'm trying to say? In the bidding meeting, business analysts or marketing people will come and attend it, right? Is these guys are decision makers? And they have a rights to take the project and start the project? Yes. Reply to me. Priya, Rajita, is these guys have a rights to take the project or start the project immediately?
No.
These guys have rights?
Not immediately, but they can take decisions. Yes.
Exactly. Why? Because these guys are not decision makers first.
Hmm.
So yeah, in the meeting, they got the project work from the company, but not at finalized company wise. What these guys will do? Okay, these guys will come after meeting. These two people come to IBM company. Come back to IBM company, and they'll send an email. Other high level people. Who is a high level people here? Like a CEO, okay, CEO, or okay, CTO, or okay, stakeholders. These guys. Now, okay, they'll simply send a email. Yes, we got the project work from okay Orosi client. This is the one project, and we are going to explain what exactly the project work. Now all these people, they'll create a schedule, and in that schedule, business analyst or marketing people is going to be explained. Okay, that one we call it as a here kickoff meeting. Okay, now we'll discuss kickoff. They'll take a decision whether we are going to continue this project or not in the kickoff meeting. Understand? In the kickoff meeting, all these high level people will attend it. In front of the high level people and the business analyst or marketing people who has attended that meeting, the two guys or one person come into the dais and they'll explain, yes, this is what actually requirement. Yes, Urvashi is a client and she wants to launch one big shopping mall. So to maintain that, one software is required, and so client is given some 6 months of time and 1 crore amount. In the auction, we got the project work like within 5 months we want to give you, and 90 lakhs they are going to provide to us. This is the action. Finally, we got it done. Okay. At the time, the questions will come from this high-level people. Okay. What they said: if you take this project within 5 months, will be completed. The question mark will come. Or if you take this project within 90 lakhs, will we complete this project within 90 lakh budget? This 90 lakhs, within 90 lakhs, employee salary, company maintenance, and profit of company. All these they will consider it. Understand? To design the software, what type of softwares we need to purchase, or we need to buy it, or what type of maintenance. Suppose don't have systems in the company. To get the systems rental wise, what about rental cost? What about maintenance cost? Everything they will include for this project, and that budget, it's beyond 90 lakhs means they won't accept it. Understand? If it is exactly 90 lakhs means also they won't accept it. The company profit also is required. If you take any one project, they'll expect within the time, will we complete it or not, and the budget is okay or not. So these guys will take a decision. If yes, we have number of people on bench, why don't we utilize them? And there are number of okay, we have already existing this type of softwares, why don't you use the code for our company product and design easily? Yes, if you completed within 5 months with the people, then they will agree with that. So at the time they will decide it, yes, we'll continue with this project, and they will decide it. These guys, decision makers, will decide it and appoint to one project manager. Understand? Immediately they will appoint one project manager, and the project manager, after selecting, this guy will choose the different team heads. Example, business analyst team leader, development team leader, okay, dev TL, and QA team leader, or some other teams. Now these team leader guys will choose that team members, right? Business analyst 1, business analyst 2, then developer 1, developer 2, developer 2, developer 3, okay, and like that, different developers were there, and the QA1, QA2, QA3, like that. So if once project manager is got appointed, and project manager will choose the different team members or team leaders, recruiting that. So appointing from team to team, how many people who are working, how many persons overall into our project. Now like this one project structure they will create it, and so on so day, so on so time, so on so place, we are going to start the work and we're going to end this work. This is what our project plan, something project manager discuss with all the team members, team leaders, they'll create one project plan. So once you see, this is a company wise, guys, see, you are the person here, you are the client here, right? So you just given this work to the business analyst or marketing people, and these guys will come to the back to the company and they'll discuss it and they'll okay. But will you you're not aware of what is the IBM company and where is the IBM company, whether these guys have facilities to design my software. Without checking, will you proceed that will you transfer the amount to IBM company, or you need to cross check? As a client, you need to cross check whether the IBM company have facility to design the software. Rosiji, you are the person here, client. Tell
Yes.
me, will you go and cross check? Will you go and inquire the IBM company premises? So that one we'll call it as a client visit. If we come to the IBM company, in the IBM company people, after preparing the project team structure, You just go to there, and whether how many people, is it really the people were there? Okay, and what is the facilities were there, whether systems are available, okay, companies available, companies allocated. So once you go on cross check, then you will start funding the money. Understand?
Okay.
You just move
Okay.
money, initial money, not all the amount. Initial money to will give it to you. Sorry, will give to the IBM company. So whenever IBM company got the amount, these guys, okay, go ahead, start the work. Now, as per the plan, the first week, this is what we are going to do. Second week, this is what we're going to do. Like weekly wise or day wise, they will create one plan and they will explain the plan to the customer to aware of that. What is going on? Where are we? So this is what project work will come to the company. Understand? Priya and Ranjita?
Yes, Srini.
Okay. So now,
Yes.
whenever, where are we actually? We are into QA team. Correct? We are into QA team,
Yes.
right? So here, mainly discuss about business analyst, developer, QA person. What is business analyst work?
To
Get the
collect the requirements and prepare a business requirement document.
Super. There is a customer. Customer have some requirements, right? So these requirements, like a business analyst will contact to the customer. Okay, business analyst will contact to the customer, get the requirements, and prepare one documentation. The documentation we'll call it as here FRS. Okay, now functional requirement specification or customer requirement or business requirement specification, like that. Different names will use it. Okay, now. So what it contains? It contains about the screens and screen element information functionality. This is a purely a Word document kind of thing. Okay, now it contains what is application. It contains application flow of application and screenshots, okay, and element information, fields information. Okay, now this is what FRS contains actually. Okay, guys. Now once develop this requirement document, immediately they will explain. Okay, now send an email. Send an email to dev team and QA team. Send an email to dev team leaders, QA team leaders. I'm saying this. QA team leaders. Send an email to business analyst will simply send an email to developer and QA team leaders. What these guys will do, whenever they received an email from the business analyst need to explain this requirement. Okay, this is what my requirement, this is what application flow, something. For that, they're going to be conduct one meeting. In that meeting, right, minimum one developer, one QA people will be attend. Like team leaders will choose it. Which developer need to be appointed for this FRS meeting? Which QA need to be appointed? Which automation test engineer need to be appointed to that meeting? Like that, they'll send emails to an individual person. Example here, the Priya is a QA engineer and Ranjita is a developer. So these two guys are attended. I'm the person here. I'm the business analyst. I just start the meeting. In that meeting, in front of me and Ranjita and Priya, these two people were there. Okay, now I'm going to explain the requirements. Okay, this is what actually client expectations. This is the requirement, and the screen would be like this. The functionality would be like this. I'll just explain the requirements about what is what. Okay, in that meeting, wherever, like if you have a doubts at all, you just ask to the business analyst. Business analyst will guide you, explain you. Right? If you're aware of that, the flow, everything, you just go back to your sheet and they'll send an email to. Okay, then send a FRS doc to all the team members. Understand? Or they'll simply store the document to the server, guys. Server means company people, everyone have the access most of the case. Now they place the document to server, and you have a rights. You are the developer or you are the QA engineer. You have a rights directly go to the server and download the document. Now read the document. Understand? So whenever business analyst is completed the FRS document, finalize the FRS document and share it to dev team as well as QA team. The same document wise, there is no difference here, guys. Same document, FRS document going to be shared to the development team, and the same document they're going to share it to QA team as well. Now, developer, what is the developer work? Tell me, Ranjita, what is the developer work here?
He along with the team has to develop the product depending on what the requirements are.
Okay. Okay, design the application. Okay, with the team, they're going to design the application and integrate
Integrate the modules.
Yeah. This is what actually developer work. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, we don't worry about that, and we're not going to be involved into this part, right? So this is a developer work completely, right?
Right.
Right. Now tell me, yes, Priya, as a QA team member, what you will do?
So I'll just make sure I'll just understand the requirement first, and I'll just make sure this product is a bug free. So I'll just test completely.
Wait. One quick question here. So the last point, send build files to the QA team for testing. So these guys, day one, you received a FRS document, and you will expect this build file, exe file, application file to QA team after 2 weeks. Okay, now after 2 weeks time, right? You'll receive it. Understand?
Yeah.
After 2 weeks time. Now you have 2 weeks time. Now within the 2 weeks, as a QA engineer, what shall you do? That is a question. Clear? Clear the concept? Now you are the person QA member. You said like first I'll read and understand the FRS document. Correct?
Yes, that
Yeah,
is what is the requirement from client. I will understand.
Yeah. What
And
next?
then I will just start testing. Like I'll just make sure this is a bug-free product. So I'll start doing testing.
Start testing. You are expecting one software. That software will come after 2 weeks only. Day one onwards, what you will do? Okay, to read these
So I
understanding the
will.
document, you are expecting 2 weeks time? No, right? So to read
Yeah.
that, understanding that flow, maybe 2 days, 3 days, 1 day is enough.
Yeah. Yeah. And then
Now
after
after
that,
that,
I'll start preparing the test case.
exactly. What is that? Test cases. Okay, we'll discuss guys later what is test case and how to write the test case also. Okay, now. Right. Okay, develop the test case. The next, what is the next step? Yes, Anis, could you please join after 4 minutes? 6:30, I will close the meeting and start the meeting. Could you please rejoin after 5 minutes? Anis ji. Okay, so this after developing, just review that. What kind of review also we'll see that. What next? Developing the test case, review the test cases. Then after whenever
Start the
after received application, start the test case execution. Okay, this is before 2 weeks. What you'll do now is simply develop the test case, review the test case, and finally do the testing whenever you receive an application. Then whether it is defects were there, or if we found the defects, we'll raise the defects. Some other roles also will be here. Clear? Understand, guys? The flow. We'll discuss in more on topic, more about on this topic tomorrow session. Okay, now?
Sure. Sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
So what my suggestion is here, I already shared the documents. Could you please look into the PPTs first? PPTs which I shared, look into that, and we'll discuss more on tomorrow on this topic. Same time. What do you guys like? 6:30, like 5:30 a.m. IST. Please join that time.
ठीक है.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Come
sir.
again?
Thank you.
No, I just said okay.